Alright guys, it's been about a year maybe since we had this issue with the blown head gasket. I've been continuously getting a worse sounding rattle rumble coming from this car. As I suspected, there was a mistake made during repairs. At least everything here seems to indicate that. What I'm doing here is I'm spraying soapy water onto the this little intake manifold, and as you can see right here, when I do this, I'm getting a lot of bubbles here. To explain these bubbles, I'm actually blowing air into the system with a shop vac, and that's what's pushing this air through here, and basically showing that this intake manifold was not sealed properly to the proper torque specifications, which is why I'm getting this terrible rattling sound. This should have been done correctly when this was first put back together, but it was not, unfortunately. So yeah, I'll continue this in email.